My name is Jimmy Felsenthal. I'm the CIO and owner of Whitmor, Inc. Whitmor serves the retail market of the U.S. and around the world. We sell to Walmart, Target, Kmart, Sears, Kohl's, JCPenney, as well as a lot of other smaller mom-and-pop type retailers.
My name is David Taylor. I am the network administrator and IT manager here at Whitmor, Inc. The size of the facility is about 250,000 square feet. We have 8 access points right now, which we're looking to add a few more with some more racks.
We started the process to look for warehousing software because we really did not know where our product was out in the warehouse. It was basically tribal knowledge as to we had to find the right person to hopefully know where something was. So when we were picking orders, it was in the hopes that we could find it, and it would sometimes take us a long time to find it. The implementation of the iTrack product now allows us to know exactly where everything is out there. So the system, we can look up in the system and find anything in any location at any time with great accuracy.
The picker will actually go get the product from that location and they'll put it on their badge. And what that does is actually takes it from the location itself and puts it wherever that person is going to be moving around on that either pallet jack or a forklift itself. Once I'm in the staging area and we're beginning to pick these orders, we'll scan the barcode on the pick ticket itself, and then we'll start moving product to individual pallets. What they'll do then is they'll actually work the product into an order, they'll put it on the pallets and get everything shrunk wrapped, get labels on there, and then they'll do what we call a pre-ship, which actually moves it from a staging location out to a shipping lane. And from there we can actually just ship the product right out the door.
We do cycle counts to keep it accurate with the system. We do the RF scanning that was implemented through SATO, and it just helped us tremendously. Presently, our existing systems run on an Access database, and iTrack runs on a SQL server, which is very good because they talk to each other very easily. And another thing was that we were actually able to bring up iTrack with SQL Server Express, which is a free version from Microsoft, which allowed us to get up and running very quickly at a very low cost. One of the biggest benefits that we have seen out of the iTrack system is that when we do a physical inventory once a year, what used to take us 4 to 5 days to do a complete physical inventory, now we take in 1.5 days. The only reason it takes a little bit longer than a day is because it takes longer to scan all the items in the racks, because you're having to move up and down, and it takes a lot more space. But other than that, we're down to about 1 day and doing a complete physical inventory of a 220,000 square foot warehouse.
When we first started with SATO, they were just consulting and looking at our racks, looking at our space and how we needed to utilize it better. We didn't have a good grasp on that. Once we got into all of where the inventory was going to go, we started talking with SATO about the iTrack system and how it can help us do things more automated. We also got into the consumables, where we actually use 4x6 labels, 4x2 labels, thermal printers that we get from SATO, as well as the ribbons.
SATO has been a very good partner for us. I would highly recommend the use of SATO for many reasons, for consulting services, for the hardware, for the software, the ability and the knowledge that they have as a company to totally integrate all these processes for any customer of theirs.